So, hi everybody, it's a big pleasure for me to present our new features on Site.pro. We work hard and we do our best to produce new product for you, and we do our best so you can call your product your own product. There are lots of different site builders, but you can do your own site builder right now. And I will show you some steps what you can do to produce your own product, your own site builder. So first of all, you can relate your existing hosting plans with different site builder options. For example, you can relate full site builder plan with your existing hosting plan. For example, if you have free hosting plan, you can relate it with smaller builder version. I just show you how to do it. Very easy. For example, you just click edit plans in your panel, and you can just type here plan 1 or premium plan, and all users who use premium plan on your cPanel or in your Plesk, they will see all light builder version. So you can easily manage this in your control panel, and it costs nothing additional. And what is important is that you can provide full builder version for customers who pay you a lot. You can provide, for example, light builder version for just premium customers, and for example, you can provide teeny builder version for the free customers. For example, you can set limit for 1 megabytes for each picture, or for example, you can make some limits. For example, only 3 menu items for the smallest plan. For example, people who buy biggest hosting plans, they will have unlimited menu items, but smallest one will have 3. Or for example, you can provide 200 templates for everybody who pay money, and for example, only 1 template in each category for free users. So what next? You can create your own plugins, but first you can choose plugins from our list. You can just easily click and choose your best plugins. I will show you how it works live. You just go to your panel and configure. For example, I'm located, I don't know, Switzerland. I don't like Vkontakte or Odnoklassniki, or I don't know. For example, I like Google Calendar. I don't like these payment options. I don't like Alipay. You just configure. And I think that Yandex Maps is not popular in Switzerland or in Sweden. For example, Bing Maps quite known, but I don't use Baidu Maps. And when you click apply, these changes automatically goes to the builder, and your customers will see your builder version. Nobody else will see that. So it takes only some minutes to customize builder, and as you see, it's extremely easy. So what next? Some, and maybe not some, but lots of hostings ask us for their own plugins. We open this marketing kit, not marketing, sorry, development kit, so you can create your own plugins. And now it's very easy. You just register, add new plugin, and you should write some code. It takes only 2, 4, sometimes 8 hours to write new plugin. For example, you need your local social network, or you need your local newsfeed, or you need your local payment gateway. So you just log in, click add new plugin, read some manuals for the read some our manuals, read some other company manuals, for example, for social platform or for payment gateway, and you can create your own plugin that will appear in your builder. So it takes only from 4 to 8 hours to create unique plugin. So your product could be totally different from other products. So it already works. It costs nothing for you, so just use it. And I will show you some new things in our product. We work hard really from the beginning of the year, and now we produce artificial intelligence. Nobody have it at the market. Nobody has it at the market. I will show you what is it. It means that robots works beside developers. It means that our robots works faster than our competitor developers. I will show you this example, how it works. For example, this is template. As you remember earlier, you should create version for tablet, version for mobile, version for TV. Now forget about everything. We will remove these buttons. And all this version, our robot will create it. How it looks. For example, preview new, and new version of website, done. As you see, it's 100% responsive, and you don't need to create something additional. So, and how it's flexible. For example, I would like to make a lot of changes. I don't like this template, let's customize it. I just show you how fast I can do it. And what happened next. For example, I don't like this picture, some maybe colors, like that, maybe put something here, maybe this picture will be here, so maybe something here. So you see that it's, I don't know, totally different thing. For example, and maybe it's not enough, I just would like to produce something new that nobody has. For example, I will put some kids, some cats here. For example, it will be like some pictures here. I just show you that people do something without grids, so they don't need to use some grids. So totally new web page. Do you remember the first one? Nothing common, everything new. So totally new web page. And earlier you should care about how it looks on mobile. Now our artificial intelligence built everything. Let's look how it looks. I just built new web page right now, and it scale, it became bigger, it goes smaller. I just build a website in some minutes. And for example, if I do design like that, as we remember, there are no templates, all elements are flying, no grids, and you can see that I can do everything here. And I ask my developers, how much time do you need to program this web page, for example? They say 2-4 hours, maybe 8 hours for somebody. But our algorithm just do it in 1 second. It's done. And our algorithm always thinks, should I make this photo bigger or smaller? What will happen in mobile? And it's provide everything. And you can do any type of page, just like that. Or for example, you can do like that. I don't know, maybe just remove this text, maybe something like that. Just no limits, just I would like that my web page will look like that. And our artificial intelligence make website responsive. And it's quite professional. We just work with that. It's maximize pictures when you need it. It's put one element inside other, and it works like that. So we will use this feature, and it will come this much, so everybody can use it. And I think that we will write that anybody can make professional website in 15 seconds, something like that. Okay, so I just showed how computers can work faster than developers. Nobody at the market has it right now. There are no any company in the world where you can build website with any content, with no grids, and it will look amazing on all devices. Our competitors use grids. We say that grids it's old-fashioned. So you can draw any website and all of them will look amazing on any device. And next feature, it's like you can customize builder really easy. It will be our new video. It's only a small part of that video, but as you can see, sorry again, when you click, for example, you can change icons, you can change logo, header, everything. So you start with your logo, you put your elements, and you can change colors, and it will be much easier than right now. So we will provide you a total feeling that this is your product. You can customize it in any way, you can write your plugins. It will be totally different than all other products. And just that's all. One additional thing, we're organizers of Clients Day, and this is 19th of March. This is International Clients Day. You can just type in Google or go to our website, clientsday.com, and if you congratulate your customers, it will be a big pleasure for them. Just it's like, you know, there are 8th of March for women. There are lots of different holidays over the world. So this holidays is for customers. So if you celebrate customers on 19th of March, they may be very thankful for you. So this is our initiative. You can join. Okay, maybe you have some questions. Please provide them in chat. So what is the question about responsive site? Yes, the new responsive system automatically creates mobile layout and TV layout as well. And you don't care about how it looks. Just our system automatically do it. And you can do a website from your mobile device. It will create a version for TV. Yes, absolutely yes. Now you need to create only one version from any device, and it will look amazing on all other devices. And our artificial intelligence helps you, because sometimes when you build something, for example, nobody knows how it looks on mobile. For example, there are no rules, and maybe nobody knows how it will look on TV. So it's only like opinion of designer or programmer. So we just solve this problem. Just algorithms think that maybe picture should be a little bit bigger, size should be a little bit smaller, mobile should be a little bit, and the mobile should look like that. And yes, so back to the question. Yes, you can have different version for mobile and desktop, but our opinion, we have a lot of responses that people tired of making versions for different versions for mobile and for desktop. As you know, when you upload picture to the Facebook, you don't care how it looks on mobile or on desktop. You just upload picture to the Facebook, and that's all. So we use the same strategy. You just put any content here, and we think about how to manage this content on different devices. And our robot learns as well. We don't plan to make it for companies who has less than 5 IPs, but if you would like to start, we can help you with that. Just inform us and we will help you at the beginning. But we will have more and more features. All of them will be from 5 IP address. So the future release will be this artificial intelligence, and okay, I just opened my web page and show it on the web page, so you can always check here. So each time we provide all new features here. So maybe the biggest feature for hostings that is very important for hosting, it will be builder customization and artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, it will be the biggest feature. It will come in maybe 2 weeks about. We will do it before WHD. And other huge feature, it will be builder customization, opportunity to use selected plugins like builder themes and a lot of things. So it will be, so a 5-year kid can manage site builder, not create website, but manage site builder, create their own site builder, just something like that. And there are a lot of small things that we work with, and there are a lot of maybe about 300 small issues that we work with, and I would not like to advertise them. But this is maybe the biggest one. But of course, we have, as I said, 200-300 small updates coming. And yes, you can't modify mobile layout, but I think, and now we do lots of tests, that our robot will do it better than anybody else. If we see that people are not unhappy with that, we will provide some solution for that. But by the moment, when we do tests with people, lots of them are happier because they don't need to add additional steps and do additional steps for their website. So thank you for your questions here, Joe. I'm sorry. So I see that maybe 3 people asked about keeping the old version. I just talk with my team. Maybe it's possible to leave old version and new version as well. But we can add some additional things. For example, you just right click on the element, and for example, you can just right click on the element, for example, and go to the options, and maybe it should be additional options. Do not show on mobile, or maybe make it more important on mobile or something like that. We can add some options here, for example. So we always care about photos and any icons. We always check if it's only like a prototype by the moment. So the idea is that we enlarge photos using some algorithms, and if photo is very small, we don't enlarge it, or if photo is we minimize it. We have minimal sizes, so we just work on that. If photo is bad quality, we never enlarge it. So we really care about that and work hard and do a lot of tests. Oh, and we have no limits for plugins. Only one thing that when we have over 100 plugins, we will combine them like in a small marketplace. But you have no limits for plugins. You can add them as much as you can. So no limits for that. So if here should be 300 plugins, it's okay. And we have lots of partners who right now maybe thinking about writing new plugins, and we have lots of people asking about how to do that. So we will have much more plugins in, I don't know, in close weeks and close months. Just each week we have about one new plugin. We're planning to have parallel scrolling about next month. So we would like to finish with artificial intelligence, and parallel scrolling is one of the next updates. Thank you, Artem, for your question. Some people ask about that. So we have lots of inquiries about store. Each your comment we analyze, and I just can show you, if you like, I can show you our our kitchen, how we rate all these things. And just wait a second, I can just show you how many store, maybe e-commerce, just 10 seconds. So just a lot of things that people ask for that. So it's, all of them are like updates from different customers. So, and we have about 50, it's really like that, 50 payment gateways that people are waiting from us. Okay, so I notice about that, and you will have it this spring 100%, and we do our best to do it earlier. Vertical landing page is like a new type of web page. This is, for example, sway.com. This is a Microsoft product, and it provides like a new type of pages at all. And the Microsoft point of view is that everything, presentation or everything, is a web page, and if it's a web page, you can easily present it. So vertical landing page, it's just a new type of page, and it's in our task list right now. Here we have paid plugins. Oh, it's very complicated to make paid plugins. I will discuss why. Describe why. Because if you would like to sell some plugins for customers, there are some problems. It's very complicated to build them, and it's very complicated because it's four parties agreement. It means that somebody uses a plugin, somebody is a plugin owner, Site.pro part exists, and hosting company parts exist. It means that four parties in this paid version. But what you can do, for example, you can limit your customers for marketplace. I will show you how you can do it very easy. Just a second. For example, this is a full plan. In full plan, marketplace is included. But for example, for smaller plans, Marketplace is not included. For example, all new plugins will come to Marketplace. And for example, you said, for example, plan mini and plan, I don't know, premium. For example, this is your hosting plans. It means that these hosting plans will not have Marketplace. So it's the same like sell plugins. And we really spend lots of time of analyzing how other people do. And people don't like to pay for additional plugins. For additional features sometimes, but not for plugins. So if you need something specific that I didn't answer, please write to the ticket system or to my mail. I will just analyze your case a little bit more, or maybe I will understand your case better. Okay, thank you for your question, Joe. It's really good notice, and we have 2 or 3 big customers who asking us the same thing, and how will we do it? We will add new section. New section will call it like layout designs or something like that. So for example, I need team. I just open like content and add team here. Or for example, I need I don't know, not product, but for example, default content for about us. I just put it and it will be default content about us. I need some things about something, and we will have about maybe 10 different content types, and it will be much easier for customer to make website more professional. So if you write me an email, because I don't know who is Joe, I don't know your email, but if you write email to us, we will put you in a line, and when we do it, we will inform you about when it's done. So okay, so marketplace, we call marketplace everything that is here. Social, this one, just all things here are like a marketplace. We just divide it in small parts right now, but later we will provide here a search box, and people can just search plugins in search box. Or as I show it, you can manage it in your panel. It's like our marketplace. So for example, we have 5 different maps, so maybe not 5, 6, and Google Maps as well. So it's 6 different maps. I think that everybody will choose best one. We have right by the moment about 7 payment gateways and 50 waiting in line. So this is like a marketplace. Because it's very small, we categorize it. When it will be a little bit bigger, now it starts growing a little bit faster. As I said, each week we add 1 new plugin, and now customers start writing their plugins. So I think that this marketplace will be bigger and bigger. So we have this opportunity, just use it. Okay. Okay, Ryan, we can find a solution for that, but We can skip these things, but we will upkeep cPanel a little bit, because every time we should check if cPanel is closed, because every session goes in 24 minutes. As you know, we can make session shorter, but as you know, when you leave your internet bank open and you leave your computer, it means that somebody can connect to your bank because it's still open. But thank you for your notice. Just very interesting thing. Okay, thank you, Martins. Thank you. I believe you will join WHD. So thank you, Sashop, for your question. It really could be a very good idea if somebody develop and sell it. But as I said, if somebody develop and would like to earn money, hosting companies every time don't like to go money not through them. For example, if customer pays for the hosting company, then he pays to the hosting company, and we have to manage third party that you pay for that plugin to the fourth party. So 4 parties is here. So it's really complicated. And for us, it's much better. And when we talk with hosting companies, they really admitted that it's much better if we use open plugins. And there are lots of maybe requirements from hosting companies that they say, can you provide us a product that we don't need to care about licensing? We can sell in any terms, we can do all we want, and we don't like to care about anything. So we really spend time thinking about that, but it will be too complicated and not producing money right now. But thank you for your idea. Just if lots of customers ask the same thing, we will of course add it. Yeah, OpenCart is a little bit easier because it's only 2 parties. You just buy from OpenCart, maybe 3 parties. Marketplace is more. But here we just should provide a product for hosting company. And for example, I don't know how OpenCart is working, but if somebody install OpenCart on hosting company server and buy some plugins, hosting company doesn't earn money, as you know. So it's a 2-party agreement. I can delete the full site. So as you know, you can change your information. You can change the session time in configuration file. But what I would like to say is that if somebody open Gmail or Facebook from the same computer, he will be logged in. So it will be the same thing. So we can provide additional security layer, but it will be too complicated because cPanel every time changes the system, and we did not have any case with that. And really, we have millions of websites, and we never heard about this case. But if it's very important for you, just contact me with this email, and we will provide additional solution, additional security layer for cPanel. No problem. So just write me your mail, and we will add the security layer. Thank you, Martin. See you in WHD. Thank you. Yes, just write me to the email sales. So yeah, you can use this email. Yeah. I will personally answer you. Yeah, we have about 6 people who waiting for sign login model. It will be. I would like we should have it this spring, and there are a lot of things about this sign login model because we have to store customers somewhere, or it will be only like a member area password protection. Somebody needs just member area with one password. Somebody would like to provide this password for customers. Somebody likes to have their own member area with new users, with notifications, with a lot of things. So the simplest member area we will do this spring 100%, but we will see what either customers need. But we have about 5-6 maybe inquiries right now about that. Yeah, of course we have ready landing pages. Of course, just go here. We have landing page. Yeah, it's ready to go. Yeah, you can use it. And in any page, for example, you can just go click landing page and it's ready to go. You can change any template. For example, entertainment, I don't like this template. For example, you choose a template and you would like to make it landing page. You just go here, click landing, that's all, landing page complete. So thank you for your questions. Do you have some more questions? And it's a big pleasure to meet you on WHD if you come here. WHD Global. So we have a booth, and it's a big pleasure to meet you personally and listen to your questions, maybe see your new requirements, and we work hard for new requirements. Maybe I recognize you, Ryan DeMello. So, India. So I know your mail, so I will contact you directly. So India is a very beautiful country. Yes. We will have a lot of conference in autumn. I just thinking about, of course, visiting much more conference right now. I visit maybe each conference a year. Maybe you can listen my speech on hosting con US on the about 3rd of April. So we will talk together with Vibli in a round table. So it will be a very interesting discussion. But I'm not planning to go to India, but maybe I will change my opinion. Well, right now we don't have to plan to. I don't plan to visit. We have about 30 countries in my list to visit, but I will think about India again. Thank you to being so active, Ryan. Okay, waiting for last question from McLeod. Of course, McLeod, understood. Will be done. Okay, will be done. Okay, thank you for your time. So See you on WHD. Bye.